Hey y'all, another mini episode because I foolishly some time ago disassembled my computer and packed some stuff up, and it was probably too soon. Um, so that's why I've been lagging. I'm not really crazy about just making videos off the phone, but guys got to do what a guy's got to do. As you might could see above my head, insulation. Yeah, we got insulation finally all over the house. I might have to talk about what a nightmare it was to get the insulation done in another episode. The company, the funny thing is it just was like pulling teeth to get them out here to do it. And then when they actually did it, they did such a good job. Even the inspector was super impressed with the work they did. So the insulation is beautiful. It's a great thing to see. But what's even better is that Friday the drywall is showing up, and that same day the drywaller is starting. It's gonna be tears of joy, man. But I won't film that because it's ugly. I probably cry like my mom used to. Scary clown cry. Anyway, just a little quick update there, and there's other things to talk about, but I don't want to, and that's my prerogative. This is my show. Peace out.